Okay. We got our first good rain here, and the road is like completely covered, this entire lane. So Reed and I are going to find the storm drain. Yeah, it might be over there somewhere.
Everything's flooded. What you might have to do is like give our hand at the bottom here.
Oh,
Can you find it?
I don't know. Like,
Check.
oh, I found it.
Yeah.
Found the drain.
Ready? Ready? Oh. Okay. Woo. Shocking.
There are all these leaves down here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, see the whirlpool coming in? Look at that.
Take a video of everything. I'm guessing there's another one up here. Oh yeah, there's another one stuck at the bottom. Who does it? I think we let this one do its thing and we head over to that one.
Oh yeah, look at that one.
Yep, right here. That's there, Bob.
That.
There we go. My hands.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, so this one is almost like it's flowing a little bit, but it's looks like it's mostly clogged already with a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah. So here's the Mike's Hard Lemonade.
Yeah, I was about to say
garbage here.
It's probably gonna go. So, yeah. Oh, shoot. You're sending me this video. Share it in the Discord.
Yeah, so we got some chicken McNuggets in here.
Disgusting.
But look at that. Half of the lane is already opened up again.
Swollen.
It's like the Eye of Sauron right here. do you think, Reed?
Yeah.
Job well done.